make this recipe, add half kg of mutton into a pressure cooker. Then add a cup of water and some salt to taste, followed by half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a quick stir and then close the lid. Cook the mutton for 5 to 6 whistles and then simmer for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the steam go all by itself. Check if the mutton is cooked. Then keep it aside. You can check for the ingredients in the description as well. Now into a kadai or pan, add 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds or sof. Roast this on a low flame till golden. Let it cool down, then add it to a blender and powder finely and set aside. The next step is to heat 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add 2 onions that are sliced, a handful of curry leaves, 2 green chillis that are slit, and saute this till golden brown. Then add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook it for a minute. If you do not have the paste, you can also add crushed ginger and garlic. Now add 1 tomato that is chopped and some salt as per your taste. Mix well and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Once the tomatoes have cooked, add in the cooked mutton with the juice. Cook the mutton on high heat till it browns. Add a teaspoon of garam masala powder and continue roasting. Now add the roasted spice powder and a handful of coriander leaves that are chopped finely. Mix it well. Let it sit for a minute, then give it one final mix and serve hot with rice, roti or dosa. Enjoy!